Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Ads enhanced conversions for better attribution. Complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Google Ads enhanced conversions for better attribution, start by logging into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Tools and Settings menu in the upper right corner. Under the Measurement section, select Conversions. In the Conversions window, click the plus button to add a new conversion. Choose Website as the type of conversion you want to track. Fill in the required details for your conversion action. Make sure to select Use Enhanced Conversions when prompted. Next, follow the instructions to set up data collection for enhanced conversions. You will need to integrate your website's tagging system. If you use Google Tag Manager, follow the GTM setup guide for enhanced conversions. Add a new tag configuration and choose Google Ads Conversion Tracking. Input your conversion ID and label in the designated field, then, enable the Enhanced Conversions option within the tag settings. Save your tag and publish the changes in Google Tag Manager. If you're not using GTM, you can implement enhanced conversions through the Global Site Tag or Google Ads Tag. Insert the necessary code snippets directly in your website's code. Ensure you're collecting relevant user data such as email addresses or phone numbers in compliance with privacy laws. Once your setup is complete, test the implementation to verify that enhanced conversions are working correctly. Use the Google Tag Assistant or other debugging tools to confirm that data is being sent properly. Return to your Google Ads account and review your conversion data over the coming days. Check reports to see how enhanced conversions impact your attribution model. Continuously monitor and optimize your campaigns based on these insights. This will help you better understand user behavior and improve your marketing strategies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.